touch me. Echoes of yesterday in this twilight haze. Neon signs are fading, memories invading. Summer nights that passed us in the distant days. Fade away now, drift through the tomorrow. Living in a feeling, lost in our own sorrow. Whispers on the sidewalk, silent streets that won't talk. Shadows stretching longer as the nights grow colder. Old tunes in the night air, lost times that we both shared. Fading into spaces where our hearts used to wander. Fade away now, drift through